In August this year, the ruling AIADMK government had brought the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission TNPSC under the purview of the Directorate of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption. The DVAC is now probing appointments made by the TNPSC between the year 2006 and 2011. But what about appointments made much before 2006? Sources have told our crime correspondent Salim that 9 months ago, the Madras High Court had quashed the appointment of as many as 83 Group 1 officers, including 14 DSPs and several deputy collectors. These officers are still continuing in service. A section of legal experts believe that this is illegal. The concerned officers insist that they have moved the Supreme Court challenging the order and that they are entitled to carry on in their posts.
An old judgment of the Madras High Court is haunting 83 Group 1 officials recruited through the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. These officers are now serving as Deputy Collectors, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Commercial Tax Officers and Divisional Fire Officers. Their government careers will now hinge on what the Supreme Court decides. 9 months ago, the Madras High Court had set aside their selection in 2000 and 2001 owing to alleged malpractices. The violations include using sketch pen, pencil, two colors, making irrelevant markings such as the use of religious symbols and peculiar quotes at the center of the full blank page. A controversy has now erupted over whether their continuance in office is legally tenable. Judicial experts say until a stay is granted by the Supreme Court, the judgment of the Madras High Court has to be implemented.
These 83 officials' appointments were clearly set aside by the High Court. Though that judgment was challenged by the TNPSC and private parties in the Supreme Court, no stay were granted. But even then, they are still in continuation and they are also considered for the promotions.
When 83 officers who are in Group 1 service are holding the post illegally and contrary to the judgment of the High Court, how the people will have faith in judiciary? Nowadays, contempt of court is on the increase. When a judgment is not implemented, it would amount to contempt of court.
A piquant situation may arise if the officers are moved from service and a vacuum is created.
All the 83 candidates who are holding the post should be immediately relieved, and the persons who are coming in the waiting list may be appointed if permissible in law. If not, there should be a fresh advertisement for the post of Deputy Collector and Commercial Tax Officer. So it is the duty of the government, at least now, to implement the judgment.
When contacted, the Secretary of the TNPSC said, since the issue is before the Apex Court now, the members of the TNPSC say they have not initiated any action. The Home Department confirms that no orders have been received from any department regarding this issue. We also spoke to one of the 83 officers whose appointment is pending judicial scrutiny.
ரெண்டுக்கும் வந்து டிஃபரன்ஸ் மோர் தென் 20-30% அது என்ன எக்ஸாக்ட் பெர்சன்டேஜ் தெரியல. இருந்துச்சுன்னா தேர்ட் எக்ஸாமினர் வந்து போடுவார். ஸோ இப்படி இருக்கும்போது 3 எக்ஸாமினரை இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் பண்ணாலோடைய நம்ம அதுல வந்து மார்க் சேசிங் வந்து இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள்.
ஓகே ஓகே இன்னொரு வாதம் ஒன்று எடுத்து வச்சாங்க மேடம். என்ன அப்படின்னா வந்து சே ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து அன்லெஸ் இட் இஸ் ஸ்டேட் பை த சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட், the order of the Madras High Court has to be implemented அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஒன்னு
சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட்ல வந்து அதை டிஸ்மிஸ் பண்ணல.
ஓகே ஓகே
எங்க பெட்டிஷன் நாங்க கொடுத்த பெட்டிஷன் டிஸ்மிஸ் ஆயிருந்ததுன்னா நீங்க சொல்றது கரெக்ட், கண்டிப்பா இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கணும். எங்க பெட்டிஷன் வந்து ஸ்டில் ப்ராசஸ்ட்.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே
அட்மிட் ஆகல. இன்னும் அட்மிட் ஆச்சுன்னா வந்து இவங்க வந்து இந்த क्वेश्चनே வராது.
While the final word on the issue rests with the Apex Court, the officials involved will be on tenterhooks. In Chennai, Salim for NDTV Hindu.